Hey guys, today I'm taking a look at the Viaim NoteKit AI recorder. Let's open up the box and see how it works. So it comes with instructions in here. Quick start guide. And then here's the device itself. Very small. Plug it in USB. And so yeah, let's go test this out and see how it works. The Viaim NoteKit is a tiny but durable audio recorder that can help to record meetings in person or over video calls, while also being able to transcribe every word said so you never miss an important moment or note. It supports independent recording without needing to connect to Viaim's earbuds, so you can just plug it right into your computer to start recording. It's that easy. And it features dual omnidirectional microphones that can intelligently adjust pickup parameters while clearly capturing human voices within a 5-meter range. It has 3 recording modes as well to fit your preference, from online meeting recording, on-site communication recording, and audio/video recording, all while being able to transcribe the audio with real-time speech-to-text, and it can even translate it up to 15 different languages. And thanks to its AI features, it can extract summaries and create to-do lists generated from the recorded audio, making it super helpful for organizing key information. It's also super easy to use as well, with its physical button with just one short press to turn on and off the microphone, and one long press to connect it to your Viaim earbuds. And so yeah, I definitely recommend checking out the Viaim NoteKit AI recorder today, and you can check it out in the link below. See you.